everyone. Myself, Lisa Mohanty, and I am here to express my views on the topic I am happier than my forefather. Today, life has changed tremendously. Life was harder earlier as man had no such desires to achieve. But the world progressed day by day. And we can see all around us the gifts of modern society, modern technology, and modern economy. So we possess many things as compared to our forefathers. We can highlight 3 points like the growth and progress of the world in 3 categories: social, economical, and technological. If we talk about social issues, we have seen from ancient times to modern era, we have many changes. Women's place in our society, casteism and racism. Women's place in our society, as we all know, there is no denying the fact that the women in India have made comparatively progress in the past decades. But yet, they have to struggle against many social evils in this male-dominating society. Earlier, there were social stigmas like child marriages, sati pratha, and killing girl child in fetus. But today, scenario has been changed. Women are standing at the same place as men do. They are giving their opponent males tough fight in all aspects of life. If we talk about casteism, yesteryears our society was divided into different castes, which in turn describe of people, social status and occupations. But today, people are not recognized through their status. Instead, people are today's generation don't differentiate in people. They get respect from their abilities and their work. If we talk about racism, racism was very dominant in the era of ancient history, as most of the European nations ruled the Africans and Asian countries. For example, Gandhi was thrown out from South Africa because of his black color. But today, Black American, Mr. Barack Obama, he is the president of US. In second category, I would like to include economical growth. Education, as we all know, that earlier, education was not for poor caste, and it was privileged for rich people and for higher status people. At last, I would like to conclude that surely with all these advantages and achievement of our modern life, it is comparatively better in every way than that of our forefathers. No doubt, in comforts, luxuries, convenience, general health and well-being, we are happier than our forefathers. Thank you.
Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Sanjana Kapoor, and I am here to present my views against the topic I am happier than my forefathers. As my partner has said that all around us we see hundreds of things which are gifts from modern science. So we possess many things as compared to our forefathers. But can we say that we are happier than our forefathers? It is hard to answer this question. Definitely, our forefathers were much more happier than we today. Those were the days when they lived in a simple environment as compared to our fast and complicated life. They worked hard for all they had, and also they had much higher family values. The families were more united and the people were generally happier. Today's generation enjoys the fruits of science and technology. They have a better standard of living because of increase in per capita income. There is more education, more material comfort, like TV, internet, iPhones, mobile phones, and speedy means of transportation. However, when we compare our lives with the childhood and youth of our grandfathers, we find that on the whole, they had much better life than ours. They had time on their hands and lived a less hectic pace. In the modern world, we see Life has become tremendously busy. Modern youth is a victim of time and fame. The idea of material acquisition has led to conflicts in the society. It has led to alienation and loneliness in the life of a person. People are ready to sacrifice their health and happiness in order to pursue material comfort. Although the life has been comfortable and luxurious by these inventions, but this has also given unrest to a man's life. Man has forgotten to work hard, and now he just wants to comfort and easiness in life. Earlier, life was quite simple and in the sense that there was less noise all around. The invention of these machineries has definitely corrupted the environment in the sense that they have increased noise pollution as well as air pollution, which has crept into our lives. Our forefathers had time for picnics, ample opportunities to with family. They gave importance to practical education, spent time with nature, built strong bonds in society, and had time for their family. Life was not mechanical for them. Now we all are in a rat race with no time for family and friends. Many ladies did not study much, but they were not superstitious or backward. They led peaceful lives, happily with their pots, pans and children. They managed the house with their means and civilization still progressed. Also, our forefathers were luckier in the political strength as they had many great leaders at their time who were ready to fana for their Bharat Mata. But nowadays it is hardly found. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that our forefathers should be respected by us, as they were responsible in bringing us to this world. Lastly, we wish we could bring back our forefathers' peace and security in our modern times.